In this video, I'll show you how to turn your Google AI Studio app into a live web app for free. First, open your app in Google AI Studio. Now go to the top right corner and click on Save to GitHub. This will export your app code to your GitHub account. Follow the steps and connect your GitHub if needed. Once your code is on GitHub, open your browser and go to vercel.com. Now sign in using the same GitHub account. After logging in, click on Import Project. You will see your GitHub repositories here. Select the repository that contains your AI Studio app. Now click on Import. After that, click on Deploy. Vercel will automatically build and host your app. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Once it's done, you will get a live link. Click on Visit to open your web app. And that's it. Your Google AI Studio app is now live as a website, completely free.